Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to manage direct messages preview on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now click on notifications here. You can see direct messages preview. You can turn it on, then you will get preview of direct messages. By turning it off, you cannot get direct message preview in your inbox. In this way, by turning it on and off, this type of color will appear here by turning it on and off. In this way, you can manage direct messages preview on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.